Hey guys, it's Bobby with Flippin' Nuts. Thank you for checking out the channel today. I'm working on something a little bit different. I've got an old mower I'm working on. I've had this mower a really long time, probably a couple years. The opening credits of the video actually using this mower, and that's actually the one and only time I've been able to use it. I drove it that day and maybe one other day, and I just couldn't seem to keep it running. It had sat for years and years, and a buddy of mine, Charlie, got it running for me and got it back over here, and I was able to get it going for about a day. But today I'm going to put a carburetor on it and see if that helps. I have a starter also for it, but today I'm just going to focus on the carburetor. I'm doing the video because there's no videos on this thing at all. This is a Bobcat, a Ransomes Bobcat T3100. So that's the Ransomes Bobcat mower. It's an old brochure. This is about the only thing I've ever been able to find on this thing as far as literature. That's what it used to look like way back in the day, and this is the one that I have. It's kind of a beast. So anyway, I'm going to be focusing on that and see if we can get this thing going. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is the carburetor that I took off. Doesn't look terrible, too bad, but it's pretty old. So we'll give it a shot and see how it works out. One of the biggest reasons that I didn't fix this mower was this particular carburetor for this twin cam 2 engine was really kind of hard to come by. So what I found out through, again, my buddy Charlie helping me out, was that there's a substitute, a different carburetor you can put on that works just as well, actually probably a ton better and a lot more efficient, and I'll put that link in the description. So let me see if I can show you that. This is the one that I got. One thing I did notice is when I was pulling that one off, it actually didn't have a gasket here. So I'll check again and make sure that that's not on the bottom of the filter cover. But here we got both the gaskets that it needs, which will be much better. And then here's the carburetor. And it's kind of funny, they actually look almost identical. The only thing, there's just a couple, the hoses attached in different spots. So if I can get this open for you. There you go. So very similar. Oh, hey, all we can do is give it a try, right? So that's what we'll do. So let's get to it. That was pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. Didn't really need to talk a whole lot. It's pretty basic stuff. So got the carburetor on. I'm going to go ahead and grab some gas and a battery, see if this thing will fire off. Fingers crossed. This is going to be the first start in a very, very long time. So if I can get some gas in it. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It got dark on us last night, so I wasn't able to finish the video. So I just wanted to let you know I did get it started. And I don't know if I covered it in the beginning of the video, and I will write it in the down below, but it is an 18 horsepower twin 2 motor. It's just an ancient 18 horsepower Briggs motor, but it seems to run pretty good. One of the things I had to do last night that I couldn't really get a video of, so I had to change this cable to the starter solenoid, and then I changed the battery cable also. I don't know if you noticed, I'm sure you did, but last night they got pretty hard, or excuse me, hard. They got pretty hot, so it wasn't letting it current, it wasn't sending enough current to even start the mower. So, but we got it started. Alright guys, not too bad for an ancient mower that hadn't been running a long time. Pretty nice cut. I did make sure the blades were sharp, but that's as far as I went with it because I didn't know what I'd be dealing with. So nice big 6-foot cut, makes my job a lot easier. So, and then there's a sneak peek of Shiloh's bug back there in the background. That's going to be on an upcoming video, getting that thing going. So. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to put a couple of links down in the description for parts for this mower. They're pretty hard to find. I'm going to go ahead and put those in the down below. And then also I have a spec sheet for this mower with the Briggs and the Kohler setup. So that might help somebody. I hope it helps you. If it does, I could sure use a thumbs up. If you could subscribe and share the video, that would be great. Thanks again for watching Flippin' Nuts.